In this video, this Sunday morning, we are going to be using Pocket Option Auto Trader once again. And this time we will use Stochastic as a strategy. 5-second close, we will take minimum 4 trades. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. I will take $1,300 trades and I will soon start the bot. But before I do so, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Let's put a $4,000 limit here now to make sure we take 4 trades. So now let's start the bot and let's see how we do. And yes, of course, this bot works both on desktop and on cell phone. You have 2 different links for that. Now he's starting to get all the information he needs from the chart, and then afterward all the indicators he needs for this strategy. So you can see he's already now starting to look for a trade. We got our first trade in there now. That one turned into a solid win. So we have a very good start. 1 win, 0 losses. Now we have a sell trade and we lost. That was very close for a win, but we take it, by the way, because we have a martingale strategy. So we have 2 wins, 1 losses, 2,288. We will still need at least 2 more trades if they are wins, that is. And of course we have a 6-7 again. Sorry, I need to do it. So now if we have a cooldown, that is because we lost 1 trade and then he relax a little so we don't follow a bad trend for the reason we got the first trade wrong. So now he'll start to look for a trade again. So let's see how that goes. By the way, also if you have any question at all, just leave it below the video at X and YouTube. I reply to every single question you should have. I love that when you have questions. Also, help me out, put some likes on this video. More views I get on the video, more fun is it for me to make this type of videos, okay? So he's still looking for a trade. That's a good thing because this robot don't just throw in trades, he takes its time to find good trades. So you see deep win here now. So we have now 75% win rate and he's taking a buy trade. This one, you see, did go the wrong way, but he buy again now. That with the martingale, and that did turn a winner. So here we got it. 4 wins, 2 losses, $4,576 profit Sunday morning. It's 7 in the morning, just so you know. And we got a 6-7 win rate, 67%. So now, if you want this binary option robot, it's completely for free. You find it for desktop and for cell phone. The cell phone version is at Google Play Store. You find link about the video for both of them and link below the video for both of them. Up, of course, is for X and below the video is for YouTube. So now, enjoy and I'll see you on the next.